Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. You might remember this 2021 Chevy Colorado from a previous video where I did the thermostat and coolant temp sensor, and I showed you guys I was making these tools and selling them on my website to get the coolant temp sensor out without removing anything else such as the intake or header and all that stuff. But it's back. Now, customer wants to do, or my friend I should say, wants to do a tune-up. This thing is a pain in the butt. I just want to show you real fast in this video some tips on the spark plugs. There's a ton of videos out there on how to get to the spark plugs, but I want to fine tune a little bit of tips when it comes to installing the spark plugs on this vehicle. First off, I am using AC Delco 4130 spark plugs. There are these tiny little spark plugs like this, they're very small, lots of threads. When you torque these down, you're going to torque these down to 13 foot-pounds. And what I like to do is use my Lexivon torque wrench. This is easily my favorite torque wrench that I'm using, like, period, and convert over to inch-pounds. So 13 foot-pounds is 156 inch-pounds. I'm going to use the inch-pound torque wrench to tighten the spark plugs down. Now, the spark plugs themselves are a 14 millimeter socket, spark plug socket. If you have a magnetic socket, that helps out the best. And for everything that I'm telling you about in this video, there's going to be links in the description below to purchase everything if you don't have it, but get back to it real fast. Now, when we get the spark plugs ready to go, what I'm going to do first is, well, remove them, obviously, but when I'm installing them, I'm going to use this hose. Stick the spark plug in the hole, tighten it down with this hose first. When I remove the hose, I'm going to twist it in the tightening fashion and pull up to get the hose off. Then torque it down with the 14 millimeter torque wrench. After we get the after we get the spark plugs torqued down, we are then going to torque down these bolts that are holding down the coil packs to 8 foot-pounds, which I believe is 96 inch-pounds. So everything I do when it's something this light of a torque spec, so like under 15 foot-pounds, I like to convert it over to inch-pounds and use the inch-pound torque wrench. Again, this Lexivon torque wrench, easily my favorite torque wrench. I've been using it for a very long time. And if you go to Lexivon Amazon store, purchase anything on their store, if you use the code Scotties10, I believe it is, I'll put a little link right here in the bottom to, not a link, but my coupon code. If you use that coupon code, you will get 10% off of your purchase at the Lexivon Amazon store. So again, to recap, spark plugs, AC Delco 4130. You're going to tighten these down to 13 foot-pounds or 156 inch-pounds. You're then going to tighten up the coil packs right there to 96 inch-pounds or 8 foot-pounds. All right, I'm going to be giving you a little bit more tips as I go with this thing. We're going to be putting on the intake using new gaskets. I'm going to show you the torque specs on this and the torque sequence I'm going to use. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share. Check out the video library. If you need the special socket to remove the coolant temp sensor on this thing without removing anything else except the thermostat housing, which I recommend replacing both when you have a P0128 code, check out ScottiesHobbies.com/products to pick up this special tool. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.